Here is another attempt to explain how to actually calculate the risers. And this is one of the most difficult things I've noticed people have a problem with. So the first thing I want you to do will be to measure the height difference between levels or between floors. And in our first example, we have 47.5 inches or 47.5 inches. And then we're going to divide it by a number that would be a comfortable riser height for you. And I like to start with 7 inches because 7 inches is a comfortable riser height. And then we can round the number off if we want, or just simply choose the number 6, or the next number lower, or the next number higher to divide into our total rise. And since 7.916 is usually going to be too tall of a riser, we're going to have to choose the next number higher. We're going to need to add a riser to our stairway. And in this example, we're going to have 7 risers at 6.78, which would basically be 6 3/4 inches per step. 7 risers and 6 steps. And I could always add another riser and another step if I want the riser height to be shorter. Next up, let's take another measurement, 58.25 inches. And then we're going to divide 7 into that. That's going to give us an 8.32 rise. That's going to be a little too tall. So we're going to add another riser and divide 8 into 58.25 to get 7.28 inches or 7.25 inches. But I can continue going. I can divide 9 into that to get 6.47 inches or about 6.5 inches. Or I can divide 10 into 58.25 to get 5.825 inches. And if that method works for you, then great. Just simply start dividing a few numbers into the total rise until you get the riser height that you want for the individual stair steps and the amount of risers for your stairway. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.